Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmari, and in today's video I'm gonna be testing out and reviewing this Mia Secret acrylic powder kit. I got this from Amazon, and it's like a beginner acrylic powder kit. It comes with almost everything that you need, like to start acrylic nails and stuff. I'm gonna be reviewing this and testing it out. I also got some practice fingers, and I also got these from Amazon for like $13. And um since I'm a beginner and like I'm practicing, I just got these practice fingers so I can practice before doing it on myself. I'm gonna be using these also in today's video. So I'm not gonna do this on myself yet. I just wanna like test it and see if I like it, and if I like it then I will do it on myself. But for right now, since I'm a beginner and I'm practicing, I'm gonna use this on a practice finger and see how it turns out. And it's like the mini version. I know it's like a bigger version that has like a lot of stuff, and it's like $100. Like it's like $101 or $111, I think. But I only got this one because it was cheaper. This is what it looks like. It comes with a liquid monomer, a clear powder, a nail prep, a primer, nail glue, a top coat, 20 nail tips, a nail brush, and a block buffer, and a nail file.
By the way, the nails that I'm wearing right now is not acrylic. It's actually press-on nails, so just wanted to say a little disclaimer.
Well, this is the little buffer. It's like a coarse medium buffer. These are what the tips look like. It's just 20 nail tips, and they are natural tips. They come in this little baggy thingy. Comes with the Mia Secret nail glue. Comes with the Mia Secret clear acrylic powder. This is the Mia Secret nail brush. I heard some people say that this brush is not good, but I'm gonna try it out and hopefully it'll work. This is the Mia Secret nail file, and it's a 100 nail file. It's the Mia Secret nail prep, and it's like a dehydrator, I guess. Mia Secret liquid monomer. And this is the Mia Secret extra bond primer, I'm guessing. And this is the top coat. Comes with instructions to tell you how to use it. If I'm not in focus, I do apologize, because like I'm trying to like see what I'm doing and also make sure I'm like in frame and recording. So I'm gonna start with the nail prep and applying the tips to the nail. If you were doing this on a client or yourself, you would push back your cuticles, and if your nails are long, you would cut the nail like short and then just file it and like shape it and then remove the shine. But since I'm not doing it on like a real person or myself, I'm just gonna like file the like remove the shine and cut down the nail and then like shape it. So I'm gonna cut the nail first using these like nail cutters or whatever. So now I'm gonna use the 100 file and remove the shine from the plastic tip and file the free edge up. So now I'm gonna use the nail tips and I'm gonna try to find a tip that like fits the practice finger. I was trying to file the size of the nail so that it wouldn't be hanging over. And now I'm just gluing on the tip to the nail and just holding it down. And this Mia Secret glue is really strong and it works perfectly. Onto the nail and then I glued it onto the plastic nail, and that's why you wanna file that's why you want to remove the shine from the nail so that the glue and the tip could stick to the nail. Now I'm taking these nail clippers and trimming the nail a little bit and shaping the nail into like a square shape. So now you will add the nail prep and the extra bond primer, I guess. You will add like both of these and like to the natural nail. If you were doing this on yourself or a like person, you would like add both of these to the nail, like the natural nail only, because it's like a primer and it'll make the acrylic last longer. But just because this is a practice finger, I'm not gonna add any kind of primer to it or anything. Now I'm gonna move on to the acrylic application. Now I'm gonna be using the Mia Secret liquid monomer, and I already poured it into the dapping dish and it's pretty purple. And now I'm using the Mia Secret acrylic. Use the brush, and the brush was pretty hard. I guess it's because it's like the whatever they put in it, so that's why I was swishing the brush around in the monomer to like get it loose or whatever. So I wiped my brush, I put my brush in the dapping dish and wiped it all the way off, and I dipped it in the powder and waited for like a couple minutes so the bead could form. And I only like did that so it could be like a small bead or whatever, but for some reason I was getting like a medium big size bead and I was trying to get a small one, and I placed the bead onto the acrylic and I meant to put it in the middle between the natural tip and the natural nail and the tip, but I ended up putting it on the cuticle area. I was trying to do the 3-ball method, but I did that by mistake. So I wanted to do the 3-ball method because that's the only one that I know. And I was trying to and I was also wiping my brush off as I was going. And yep, it was a little difficult because for some reason it was drying fast, and it's the Mia Secret, so I didn't think that it would dry fast. But maybe my brush was like too dry or whatever, because it did have like the powder stuff around the bead. But I think I had it like at a perfect ratio, but maybe it was too dry, I don't know. But I'm gonna keep practicing and hopefully I will get it soon. This clip was embarrassing because I was trying to like wipe off the sides to get the acrylic to come off the sides, but it wasn't, like it was drying too fast. So this is what the acrylic looked like after it is dry and stuff. And like of course it looks lumpy and bumpy. I kind of messed up doing it. Like I said, I messed up at first, but now I'm just like filing and shaping the nail, and I was going back and forth using the file and the buffer and trying to like file the acrylic down because it was too thick and stuff. But even if it did turn out like lumpy and bumpy and out of shape, as long as you like have like files and stuff and buffers and you shape and buff the nail will come like together and it will look better than it did before. If you're a beginner, try not to get discouraged like I did. Just like keep practicing and keep filing. So this is what the nail looks like after I filed it, and it looked better than it did before. I spent 30 minutes filing and buffing the nail. If you have a nail drill, like an electric drill, then I would recommend using a electric drill, because using like a hand file and a buffer will take you like 30 to 40 minutes, but it's worth it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It looks pretty good or whatever, but I'm gonna keep practicing and keep trying, and hopefully I will get it right. So I won't have to do a lot of filing, but this is what it looks like. I think the apex looks pretty good. I tried to like file that down too, so it won't look too like thick or whatever. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoy watching videos like this, leave a like down below, leave a comment, and if this video gets a ton of more likes, I will do more acrylic videos, no videos, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social media, and I will see you guys in my next video.